All right, today I'm gonna change out my 5-inch straight pipe and add in a 4-inch straight pipe. So before I take the 5-inch off, I'll do a startup and a comparison between the two. All right, so they're pretty straightforward to take out. I'll start at the back and pop it out of here. The reason I'm taking mine out is because it just drones so bloody bad. Sounds awesome, but when you're driving on long drives and it drones, or you're towing a trailer, it So we spray a little WD-40 on all the rubber ends. They come off so much nicer. This is the 4-inch straight pipe, or 4-inch with no muffler kit. So obviously we just started with this one first. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of anti-season here on each one, just so if I ever want to take it off down the road, it'll come apart easy. So I got the 4-inch installed. Make sure you have your front clamp lined up right so it's not going to leak. And then I usually leave it kind of loose until I install the rest of the exhaust, just so it can kind of set in there nice. And then you just tighten that up last. And then check, make sure your clearances are all good. And I usually come and just retighten these Flow Pro exhausts. They fit so nice compared to the MBRP. You don't have to do any cutting. It just hangers are already welded on. Got these nice clamps. You just tighten them up nice and snug. And away you go. So do start up and see if it sounds any different. Yeah, it's definitely not as loud as the 5-inch. I'm gonna turn the tip down just a little bit, kind of point it out.